Hello everybody and welcome back to D Naturel. So today I'll be going over my moisture routine with you guys, and I allowed my hair to fully shrink after I washed it so that I could show you how I go over my entire moisture routine. And to do this, you need your water in a spray bottle, preferably an oil or a humectant sealant, a detangler, and a moisturizer. So I went ahead and put my hair into 8 different sections, and then I started working from the section in the back. And what I did first was that I put out the water. I sprayed the water into my hair and I just massaged the water into my hair so it was nice and moisturized. And then I just tried to fill out, any areas that were tangled and try to finger detangle those areas out. And then following this, I went ahead and just applied my detangler. So I am using Brew's detangler today, and I'm trying out their products for review. You guys can see from my facial reactions, I was so surprised. My hair immediately had so much slip to it, and my hair was so nice and smooth after that, and I was literally able to glide my fingers through it. And I was so surprised from that because honestly, usually when I do my hair like this, I usually need to go through it with a comb after, but I did not have to go through it with a comb. So that was really nice. So following this, I'm going to use my Brew butter to basically seal in everything. And when I moisturize my hair, I do the LCO method. So basically I add my liquid first, just water, add my cream, and then I follow up with my oil, which I usually use humectants or butters. So I am pleasantly surprised by Brew, but at the same time, a lot of their products have emollients in them, and emollients basically work to soften your hair and make your hair easy to work with. As you guys can see, I have really tight and kinky curls, and I was able to easily moisturize my hair and glide through my hair without using any additional combs and tools, which that really surprised me, honestly. But I'm just going to go ahead and just do the same thing with all the other sections. I first do my liquid, which is water, do my cream, and then I follow up with my oil to seal everything in. So I am now on the other side of my head. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing as I did with all the other sections. Just massage some water in there, follow up with my Brew detangler, and then follow up with my Brew butter. And I will just go ahead and just, twist it all the way down and then do the same thing with all the other sections as well. So now I am done with all of my hair. So I am done moisturizing it, and I did a close-up so you guys can see it. Literally, all the products melted into my hair. I have no flyaways or flaking, and my hair looks really nice and juicy right now. So what I'm going to do, which is not required, but I definitely love doing this since it's winter, is that I'm going to go ahead and apply essential oils to my scalp and massage that into my scalp because it gets really cold outside and you don't want your hair to be really dry, especially on the scalp, because that kind of prevents growth from happening. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my head to toe oil from Brew products, and I'll just massage it into my hair. And I will just, go ahead and then just tie my hair up with the hair tie, secure it into a ponytail, because that kind of stretches out the roots of my hair overnight. And then I'll just put it into my favorite bonnet, and then I'm going to go sleep. So the following day, I put my hair into a bun. I have a tutorial of it. I'll link it down below. But shout out to Brew products. I'm going to link all of their information down below so you guys can check them out. And like this video if it was informative. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here, and welcome to the fam. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.